Hello, this is 𝐷𝐻𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐻𝐿, your speaking examiner, and your test is happening at Ielts Studio. And in this very first of your speaking test, I'll be asking you some questions on the topic called maps. And are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, so your first question is, do you often use maps?
Of course, I do. Whenever I visit any unknown place, I highly count maps, especially digital ones. As well as that, I could say that when I travel in the city at peak hours, I use maps and it exhibit which routes going for have less traffic.
Okay, so who taught you how to use a map?
That's interesting. Why I am saying this is that initially I had no idea about the use of online maps. One day, one of my friends showed the use of a map. Only then did I come to know about the usefulness of it. So definitely, this was my friend who taught me about the use of a map.
Do you prefer an electric map or a paper map?
Honestly speaking, I cannot figure out the labyrinth of paper maps yet. Hence, I definitely go for an electronic map. The reason behind this is that it is straightforward when it is come to the use. On the other hand, it is next to impossible to carry a paper map with us always.
Did you use a map in your school?
As far as I can remember, when I was in primary school, I was taught use of a map. Having gained the lessons, I used to follow maps in order to find my locations. Surprisingly enough, I would take help from maps even if it were my known place.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for participating in the test. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.